what is the difference between interior design and interior styling?
Interior design takes a charge of a lot of things, from styling, designing, creating rooms. Whereas stylists, 40s में interior designers, they are very snobby.
Huh?
So when I started working, I see so interior designers, they charge a bomb. So that was an actual haunted site. I've heard from someone that I think you shouldn't be on board because you are a Gen Z.
Hello people of internet, welcome to another episode of बदमाश बातें. ये बोलते हुए मेरा क्या कहते हैं दिल एकदम तरस चुका था because it's the first episode we are recording in our new studio. मतलब this is not like first but guest के साथ ये मेरा first episode होने वाला है and I am very excited because I have Nishtha with us.
Hi.
And she is the one actually. निष्ठा ने ये पूरा स्टूडियो डिज़ाइन करा है, हेल्प करा है मुझे इसको. यू नो दिस वाज जस्ट अ खंडर सॉर्ट ऑफ प्लेस, आई एम नॉट गोना लाई, बट इसको हमने कैसे एक रूम एक अपने उसमें क्या कहते हैं हेडक्वार्टर्स में स्टूडियो में कन्वर्ट किया है. सो निष्ठा रियली हेल्प्ड मी आउट विद दिस एंड आई वाज लाइक एंड व्हेन वी वर डूइंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ बिल्डिंग द स्पेस, मतलब I was getting to know so much about not just interiors and she also talked to me about vastu and everything. तो मैंने कहा तो काफ़ी interesting है, like I never thought of it and ये चीज़ों पे मैंने कहा Nishtha has to come on the podcast. So here she is.
First time being on the internet.
Yeah.
So kind of like.
Yeah. How are you feeling? पहले बताओ. What do you think? पहले तो
So
आपने ये
it's very
पूरा
elaborative setup, of course. First time for me being in front of the camera.
Yeah.
I never imagined, to be honest, being on a podcast.
Okay.
So yeah. And with you, it's very interesting because we have, like, I have built that connection with you, which I don't have with any other client. So yeah.
That's so sweet.
And she's so similar on camera and off camera. Like, very similar vibe.
हाँ वैसे मैंने इसको पैसे नहीं दिए इसको बोलने के लिए
it's very true.
ये बोलने के लिए but
it's kind of very true.
Yeah, but the thing is कि when we were making this setup, I was getting to know so much about interiors in general.
Right.
I want to know from you कि first of all सबसे पहले तो एक चीज़ clear करते हैं. What is the difference between interior design and interior styling?
So interior designer takes a charge of a lot of things, basically, from styling, designing, creating rooms, like sizing of the rooms, electrical, like from scratch, imagining, designing a space. Whereas stylists give a personality to a space. So that's a major difference. And we also check up in the technical parts of the site. We can handle sites like, so yeah.
That's nice. So and you can do both, of course.
Yeah. I hold a degree in both.
Where did you get it? Like, what did you do?
So I did my bachelor's in interiors, and after that I did styling from Pearl, and my bachelor's from a very college, like a very mediocre college.
Okay. But how was your experience at Pearl? Do you suggest people?
So it was very shorter duration for a year. So yeah, I mean, as soon as I absorbed the energy of the space or whatever, the college was ended. So yeah, I mean, it was nice, kind of very time pass, but yeah.
Chill था.
हाँ.
Chill
But
था
now I
काफी.
think कि अब थोड़ा Pearl change हो गया है.
Change हो गया in what sense?
In terms of a lot of things, maybe when you were there,
Yeah.
it was much better, I feel.
भाई क्या बात कर रही है? I तो hate Pearl. Like I advocate my hatred towards Pearl so much कि भाई क्या ही
I
बताऊँ
don't know,
मैं.
but that's what I feel, that it was better pre-COVID.
Pre-COVID.
Yeah.
Got it. हाँ pre-COVID batch तो मेरा ही था. Like I graduated in 21 and like again 2020 वाला year was on COVID.
Yeah.
So हाँ 2 साल ही मैंने करे हैं
But it
college.
was still kind of better. I mean, they have a lot of people now exposed. So
That's something. But okay, like now tell me कि you have created this space exactly like how I wanted. पहली चीज़ तो मतलब जो मेरे दिमाग में था. I'll tell you how I actually wanted to work with an interior designer. Being from a design background, मुझे पता था कि मुझे क्या चाहिए.
Okay.
But the thing was कि I did not know कि कहाँ पे क्या अच्छा लगेगा कि नहीं. Because when you see things on Pinterest, मैंने एक चीज़ यहाँ से उठाई ये एलिमेंट, एक चीज़ यहाँ से उठाया. So then there are a lot of ideas in my head, but will this थिंग लुक गुड इन जस्ट दिस वन स्पेस, क्योंकि वो आप एक घर सेटअप देख रहे हो, फिर आप कुछ एक स्टूडियो देख रहे हो, सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन योर हेड गोइंग कि हाँ मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ, ये भी कर सकती हूँ. So that is when I thought I need to work with an interior designer, and that's how I think you put all my thoughts in one place and you made it really easy कि हाँ ये चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगेगी सुकृति, if you do this look nice. And I want to know from, and ये actually मेरा जो budget था, I'll be very honest, I did not share my budget with you, but we only went थोड़ा सा like ahead, मतलब उसका overboard गए only by I think 10K.
Yeah, when we did styling.
हाँ, सिर्फ तब हम थोड़ा overboard गए थे, बट उसके अलावा आई थिंक हमने ये पूरा अंडर अ बजट ही कर लिया. सो आई वांट टू नो कि लाइक कैन यू डू सम लग्जूरियस स्पेसेस आल्सो अंडर अ बजट.
My main forte is like luxury, creating luxury, sustainable luxury basically. Okay. So when I started working, I see कि जो interior designers होते हैं, architects होते हैं, they charge a bomb.
Right.
For projects जो required नहीं होता है. I feel so, I wanted to fit in that gap that I can be accessible to a lot of people. Maybe it's a young mindset, it may get, vary with time, but I feel कि things can be created under a budget. I mean, we can alternate materials definitely.
Right.
And Pinterest is just an illusion. I mean, we can take up inspiration, but entirely not dependent on Pinterest.
Yeah, what are your thoughts on Pinterest? Those Pinteresty rooms, Pinteresty setups.
Good for inspiration, but most of the clients take up Pinterest as their ideal mood board. But वो एक picture है, like it's a created image, and you are actually gonna stay in it. So your place can't look like a hotel at the end of the day. So.
And do you think कि जो Pinterest inspiration, especially India में practical है कि नहीं?
I don't think so. Like recently I'm working on a project and that client sends me everything from the West and that is not durable. Like push and pull वो वाले सारे furnitures. I just tell them that this is not durable. Like it's very easy to make, very like economical too, but that won't sustain in Indian weather.
That is true. That is true. And but how do you like go about it? What is your process when you begin a project as an interior designer? When you are starting a project, what is your process?
So like with you as well, I got to know what you want, like what are your needs from a space, what do you expect. So iske andar we wanted to have like a very like different touch in terms of colors, and it should reflect your personality as well. Your space should should reflect up your personality. So that's the main concern. We just take up pictures from internet or maybe client centered, whatever, like inspiration mood board, and then we create technical drawings, which is 2D drawings, and then we create 3Ds. And ये process बहुत easy लग रहा है, but it's not, because brainstorming, a lot of things are there at the back end.
Right. And of course the area कितना है,
हाँ, of course that
वो सब भी आता है इसमें.
इसके अंदर भी we have to like fit in a lot of elements in your studio as well to have a rhythm in the space.
True, that's true. And are there any trends which you do not like in terms of furniture?
Yeah, I don't like the Scandinavian concept. वो पूरा white होता है and it's
वो जो थोड़ा Greek type होता है.
हाँ, exactly. वो पूरा white होता है and it's so hard to maintain in India because dust accumulate बहुत जल्दी होता है उसमें. Honestly, I'm very maximalist kind of a designer. I like the traditional side of design, just that.
Yeah. That's nice actually.
I like Sabyasachi designs, to be honest. Their wallpapers and their fabrics as well, like the upholstery fabrics speaks.
True. Got it. If I wouldn't have given you like कि हाँ मेरे को ऐसा pink theme type करना है, what would have done otherwise?
I am really into arcs, so I would have made an arc. I'm really into arc, like it's a wall, semi-circle kind of wall.
अच्छा वो ऐसे करके.
ऐसा कुछ. So I really like that. मुझे ये back wall में arc में convert करती है, and maybe I would paint it pink because of course it's logo ना. तो वो कुछ reflect होना.
You had to do it everything अपने. You did not know the logo colors या कुछ नहीं पता होता.
हाँ, so वो मैं कुछ color tones, maybe brown tones, they are a lot into trends.
जब हम लोग discussion कर रहे थे उसके around you talked about Vastu a lot.
Right.
So I want to know around that, like what is वास्तु के हिसाब से क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, because I have no idea, and again I don't believe in that as much, but again I would, ऐसा भी नहीं हो गया I would not want to believe.
Right.
ऐसा भी
So I also hold a similar concept, just like you, कि वास्तु, oh my god, it's so old fashioned, older people believe in it.
नहीं, मेरा ये thought नहीं है कि older people, but मेरे को ऐसा है कि
मेरा
क्या
ये
फर्क पड़
thought
जाएगा?
था, नहीं मेरा ये thought था, but when I saw actually things work, तो मुझे लगा, because when I initially started working, so I went to a site, वो थोड़ी मुझे लगी that there is some energy there, like there was some bad energy there, और when I was studying वास्तु, so I saw कि जब bricks एक angle पे आती है, that means the site is haunted. So that was an actual haunted site, and I couldn't sleep for like 2-3 days. So मुझे लगा कि I was questioning my career back then, because I was so young. I started working when I was just 17 as a designer.
Yeah.
So I just started questioning all of the things, कि am I doing it right or whatever. But eventually I learned about the field more, तो मुझे बहुत interesting लगी. Like in every space, इधर भी मैंने नहीं बोला होगा to you, but I try to incorporate बहुत सारे वास्तु के elements, like through the colors, our couch colors, and how we place the couch. We didn't place it through the wall. We had an angle, so that's why.
Interesting. And how you also mentioned having an accent chair instead of a normal basic chair.
Chair also, I feel ki because you will gonna take up the authority, so having that sort of a chair will reflect your authority.
And ऐसा कुछ paintings में भी होता है कि having
हाँ, colors do affect. So one more site I visited, a client, they had like very dark negative kind of paintings all over their house. So they were like, it's very interesting, and they were kind of very expensive. मतलब you won't even imagine the price, but they were very kind of expensive.
1.5 लाख 2 लाख
ज़्यादा उससे.
Oh my god.
तो I just said them कि just please get it rid of, because वो थोड़ा dark थी. Like when you get in, आप उधर रह रहे आपको नहीं पता लगेगा, but someone else is coming in as a third person, तो उनको पता लगता है.
उनको vibes आ जाता है.
Exactly.
Oh damn. And any paintings which are good for मतलब बेसिकली कि वास्तु के अकॉर्डिंग एनी पेंटिंग्स यू शुड डेफिनेटली पुट इन
हॉर्स पेंटिंग, आई थिंक कि रनिंग हॉर्स पेंटिंग दैट रियली वर्क्स फॉर एवरीवन.
हाँ, आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ रनिंग हॉर्स पेंटिंग. उसका क्या मतलब, क्या होता है?
करियर, लाइक प्रॉस्पेरिटी, आपको बहुत मनी फ्लो आता है.
यहाँ लगानी पड़ेगी यार, ये तो बताया ही नहीं. शिट.
बट हाँ,
ये तो चाहिए और सारी लगा देंगे. आप बताओ.
अलग एलिमेंट्स ऐड करें हैं जिससे
अच्छा
हिडन एलिमेंट्स.
ओके. नहीं, मैं कहा और बताओ, सारी पेंटिंग्स हम इस वॉल पे यही लगाएंगे.
या विल मेक अ गैलरी.
जैसे वास्तु में मैंने बहुत जैसे सुना है कि कुछ ईस्ट फेसिंग और ये सब भी कुछ कुछ होता है.
हाँ, डेफिनेटली होता है, बट आई फील कि बहुत पर्सनल लेवल पे भी होता है. योर प्रोफेशन,
okay,
the person you are living with, maybe you are living as a student, so इतना इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, but a family staying in, तो east direction is really good.
मतलब फैमिली के लिए ईस्ट डायरेक्शन है.
हाँ, मतलब स्टूडेंट या दे आर लिविंग फॉर 2-3 years maximum 4 years, तो इतना कुछ इम्पैक्ट नहीं आएगा.
जो मतलब बेसिकली परमानेंटली दे आर स्टेइंग, सो दे नीड टू लाइक लुक इनटू ऑल ऑफ दिस.
सो साउथ डायरेक्शन बहुत नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन होता है वो आइडियली, but people like lawyers or maybe some surgeon और कोई जो detectives होता है, if they are staying in, it's good for them.
Nice, interesting.
Like profession also matters. Like you can't, जो reels पे सब scroll करता है, like I think reels do brainstorm your ideas in a negative way. I feel that reels पे everything is trending, and हर कोई client मेरा बहुत designer बनता है, and they feel कि we know this better than you. Like it's a clash, but you are just seeing it from reels, and I like personally all the designers, they hold a profession and they hold a degree, so of course they know better.
Yeah, वही, this is exactly what happens with the you know somebody like me also. जैसे अगर मैं content बना रही हूँ किसी के लिए, आप फोन से रील ही तो बना रहे हो. इसका इतना, इसके लिए आप इतने पैसे क्यों ले रहे हो? अरे तो
I've seen you working, so it's very hard, like editing on the spot and doing everything from scratch. So efforts
होते हैं. And the thing is, it's not just the efforts, it's also जितने टाइम में आपने वो स्किल डेवलप किया है of understanding that thing. तो दैट ऑल्सो मैटर्स. तो वही है कि लाइक हाउ यू आर टेलिंग मी अबाउट डिज़ाइन, कि मुझे भी ये लगता है कि ओवर द इयर्स, प्लस यू नो द कलर थ्योरी ऑल्सो, आप सिर्फ ऐसे ही नहीं कर सकते अच्छा यहाँ पिंक है तो आगे ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट करेंगे.
Exactly.
यू कांट डू दैट. यू हैव टू लाइक रियली लुक इनटू कि क्या हार्मनी बैठ रही है, क्या कुछ हो रहा है. सो आई फील वो लोग को नहीं दिखता है. अगेन दे आर वेरी Pinterest people now.
But you were as a client, not saying a sugarcoating, but you as a client was very easy to handle because you never said no to anything. Like वो एक बहुत important factor होता है, तभी वो space enhance होके आता है. वरना clients question up करते हैं and फिर वो delay होता है and they put it on us. Why would I delay your work or for any other matter कि कोई और delay क्यों करेगा?
And the thing is कि यार मेरे को भी चाहिए था that you get your creative freedom because this is not my thing to do. मेरे को कुछ पता ही नहीं.
And you come from that background, creative background, so you value that.
Yeah, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कि अच्छा यहाँ पे टेबल ऐड करने को बोला है, चलो कर देते हैं. नहीं अच्छा लगेगा हटा देंगे. It's just that like you because the thing is I don't know कि ये कैसा turn out करेगा, but in your head you know how it will come out. So that's why I was like यार ठीक है, if you are saying it will look nice, it will look nice. So मुझे वही I like to give that space to somebody because अगर मैंने आपको बोला है कि यार प्लीज हेल्प मी आउट विद दिस, देन आई वुड वांट यू टू हेल्प मी. फिर मैं अगर बार बोलती रहूंगी तो फिर तुम्हें हेल्प भी क्यों चाहिए?
बट सब ऐसे करता है. आई वांट मोर सच क्लाइंट्स लाइक यू हु आर इजी टू हैंडल, लाइक ऑनेस्टली.
या बट व्हाट इज लाइक द टफेस्ट क्लाइंट यू हैव गॉट? इट्स मी स्टोरी.
या recent ones. So
okay,
they were like कि we want everything. So first of all I'm very like normal with clients. I don't push on कि I'll sign a contract. People do that. They sign contract on the first meeting and it's very overwhelming for the client as well कि contract sign हो रहा है, ऐसा क्या major चीज़ है. But I'm very chill with them कि ठीक है. But अगर वो like they have so much of expectation from Pinterest and they're like कि हमें सब पता है तो हम ही कर लेंगे. और आप क्या कर रहे हो वास्तु में, I know better than you. So they start questioning you at the end of the day.
Do you think they question you because of your age?
I think two factors, maybe age and female. Because it's a male dominated kind of industry. We work with architects and we don't see BTS behind the scenes क्या हो रहा है, like being on the sides. अभी some days are still like glamorous as an interior designers, but some days you have to sit at the side and deal with a lot of people at the back end. तो वो भी होता है. Like when you were out, for example, for this, ये couch बहुत बीटी हुई थी.
क्यों क्या हो रहा था?
यार couch गलत लोकेशन पे चला गया.
Oh shit.
Right. And it was so hard to handle because I didn't have the transportation guy number. So this is just a very basic thing. और इसका कलर में बहुत इशू था. तो it was a lot of chaos.
नहीं, but I think it's
no,
nice.
we sourced something else and the fabric guy sent it something else. Like वो color में बहुत difference था और वो पूरा fabricated हो गया था. And then we removed it and get it again done. So it was double kind of.
Damn. But हाँ यार ये like
बट ये क्लाइंट्स को पता नहीं लगता.
पता नहीं लगता.
I tell you यार कि you are. और आपको भी क्या रिएक्शन होगा?
हाँ ये मतलब अब मैं क्या करूँ?
हो गया ना तो आ गया. Like that's the point.
मतलब the thing is कि then from client end also I would be like कि इसमें मैं क्या करूँ?
Exactly. But उनको वो समझ नहीं आता.
Yeah.
Client don't understand this.
Yeah, that is true. But मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है लाइक somebody when they try to be like कि हाँ मुझे ये चीज़ ज़्यादा बेटर आती है कुछ, I feel they come from a space कि उन्हें लगता है कि मेरे को इसमें एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा है. If you just talk about कि नहीं वास्तु के हिसाब से ये ऐसे होगा, लाइक ये लड़की मुझे वास्तु के बारे में क्यों बता रही है, तो इतने साल की है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it also comes from there. अगर if you were थोड़ा सा like 40s में and telling people this, they would have believed you.
But 40s में interior designers, so sorry to say, they are very snobby. They don't listen to you even in 30s because the earlier jobs I worked in, they were in their 30s and they don't value their clients as their clients. उनको वो लगता है they put on their implementations. It's their dream place, so you have to alter your attitude, your personality according to them.
Of course. oh my god.
Yeah.
मतलब वो बोलते हैं आप ऐसे ही करो.
हाँ.
Shit.
वो कहेंगे कि यही हो सकता है, नहीं करना तो प्लीज
Because
गेट इट
पता है,
फ्रॉम समवन एल्स.
I also see कि because मेरे को ना day one से पता है कि ये this is temporary.
राइट, ऑफ कोर्स.
Yeah, because I am not, because अब मेरा ये घर नहीं है, मेरा ये कुछ नहीं है, so this is just a space I've gotten just to at least get started with my बदमाश बातें.
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं इसीलिए नहीं कर पा रही, मेरे पास जगह नहीं थी. So I was like यार I need a space. अब ये जगह मिल गई है, अब हमने ऐसे ऐसे बना लिया है. So now my goal was कि अभी के लिए जो थोड़ा बहुत बना लो, and later on you know because I'm a fully sunlight person. मुझे तो sunlight से रिकॉर्ड करना है.
You were just talking about sunlight,
Yeah.
like
तो
behind
मैंने
the
तो
camera.
सोच के रखा था कि हाँ भाई एकदम जो ऐसी विंडो जहाँ से एकदम गोल्डन आवर वाला हो, वैसी विंडो लेके
I also like sunlight, so I have like sunlight in my room and I love it. Like I put it on all the time.
Yeah.
But वो sunlight is a main factor. But I feel कि like rental spaces में अगर आप किसी high end designer पे, I'm not saying कि मैं बहुत low end designer हूँ और I charge less, but people who are in this industry since like 20 plus years or 10 years, they will gonna give you a bomb pricing of this project, और वो आपका brainstorm कर देंगे कि you are coming on the internet, then you should have aesthetically pleasing place. But
yeah, अच्छा ऐसे मतलब brain wash कर देंगे कि ऐसे
कि just have a customized wallpaper.
yeah.
We'll have it according to your taste, your color palette. So वो बहुत होता है.
पता है before you when I was doing it myself, मैं ऐसे पूरा paneling and all वगैरह पता नहीं क्या क्या दिमाग लगा रही थी मैं. But then I was like मुझे डार्क तो चाहिए नहीं था.
It's rental यार, मतलब
हाँ
exactly.
नहीं प्लस मुझे डार्क भी नहीं चाहिए था, मतलब मुझे लाइटिश चाहिए. अब हमें पता लग रहा है लाइट में बीटी आ रही है.
And like, we need like a chair or maybe something.
मतलब Pinterest बना तो लिया हमने पर सोचा ही
इतना
नहीं.
Pinterest नहीं बनाया.
इतना नहीं बनाया, but like we were also taking lot of inspiration,
right,
but making it practical.
That is I guess for you to understand, because कभी कभार clients को नहीं समझ आता, like visualizing ability lack करती है. Some people can't visualize it. I feel so for them Pinterest is to the rescue. अगर हम इसके 3D creates करते तो बहुत duration लग जाती. And we created this space within like we just met once and we had an idea कि what we are doing.
क्या करना है.
हाँ. मतलब so it was done in like within a week.
Within a week. Within a week and थोड़ा बहुत because of like being थोड़ा इधर उधर.
Yeah, because of your work and everything, it was getting chaotic.
But हाँ, like everything हमारा major काम was the walls.
Right.
And हमने वो कर लिया. उसके बाद तो I think बस सामान लगाना था.
Yeah.
Everything was planned already.
And that is because you had an idea and you were like independent enough to coming like on board with everything.
तो वही I was very excited कि इसके लिए क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. And but हाँ, coming to worst stories, tell me more ना ऐसा कि क्या ऐसे stories.
Yeah, worst stories like people do shame as a women कि इनको क्या आता है. They are very young. I'm a Gen Z. Like Gen Z के लिए कौन सी shaming होती है? I feel.
Oh God.
Gen Zs are not punctual. They don't value time. I have heard this, in a meeting कि we can't work with you because you're a Gen Z. आप time पे नहीं आऊँगे.
अरे
I'm always there 15 minutes early.
भाई मैं Gen Z हूँ, मैं आज time पे नहीं आई थी.
नहीं, हम time पे आए थे. We were like
मतलब नहीं, actually I was supposed to be here early to set up, but आज BT हो गई तो.
But still, that is different. Why would I not respect time?
Of course. Yeah, actually this is one thing. हाँ. No, this is not a Gen Z thing.
Last week I've heard from someone that I think you shouldn't be on board because you are a Gen Z. Like,
भाई ऐसे
seriously होता है ऐसा कि you are a Gen Z, you don't value time. I have heard this statement and I don't have anything to say. And then he said कि you'll argue, so I don't want to continue this conversation.
Shit.
Maybe he was expecting some old woman. I don't know.
तो age ही मत बताओ ना अपनी.
हाँ तो नहीं बताती मैं. I mean, I think skill speaks.
But what is like one sort of space you really want to work on? मतलब एक इस टाइप की जगह है मेरे को जिस पे work करना ही है. Like
I mean, I think restaurants.
Restaurants.
Yeah, because हर एक restaurant में there is some story. I want to have that story.
Yeah.
And I have seen कि West में restaurants are very theme based, दिल्ली में और मे बी इन एनी मेट्रोज इवन इन बॉम्बे एवरी रेस्टोरेंट इज सेम. यहीं की चेन्स वहाँ पे खुल रही है.
Cafes are pretty much same. I think restaurants अभी धीरे धीरे they are starting to have
Very
themes.
much after COVID, I feel.
COVID के बाद there are restaurants which are trying to have themes. अभी
But most of them still are the same. मतलब same franchisee बॉम्बे में है, दिल्ली में है और मेट्रोस में है. So
Yeah.
I really want to have a theme based restaurant. So you know they are in like different.
restaurants में होता है क्या कुछ वास्तु वगैरह का?
हाँ, maybe you can keep the cash counter उधर and maybe you can place restaurant की sitting उस pattern में.
Oh.
But cash counter, kitchen of course, kitchen का एक डायरेक्शन होता है, किचन का बेसिन लाइक सिंक
कहाँ होना चाहिए? जैसे if I'm opening a restaurant today, वास्तु के हिसाब से मुझे कैसे चीजें उसमें रखनी चाहिए?
फायरी जोन साउथ ईस्ट साउथ का इज अ फायरी जोन. सो या उसके बाद ही बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स.
एंड कैश काउंटर का होना चाहिए?
कैश काउंटर शुड बी लाइक इन नॉर्थ
एंड सिटिंग शुड बी
सिटिंग मैटर्स या कि वो कैसा सिटिंग है.
ओके सिटिंग मतलब
बेस्ट आई फील
Okay.
ताकि यू जस्ट हैव द क्लाइंट एंड लेट इट गो लाइक अक्यूमुलेशन ज़्यादा ना.
ऐसा कुछ होता है कि अल्कोहल सर्व स्पेसिफिक स्पेस में होनी चाहिए टाइप्स?
नॉट रियली बट या बार का ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
बार का ऐसा नहीं होता?
होता है बट ठीक है.
It's okay.
होम बार्स डज मैटर.
होम बार्स?
Yeah.
क्यों? जैसे
होम बार्स आई थिंक कि इट शुड हैव वुडन टच, वुडन फ्लोरिंग होना चाहिए. बट बेडरूम्स में आई डोंट सजेस्ट वुडन फ्लोरिंग बिकॉज वुड हैव अब्जॉर्बिंग एनर्जी. लाइक पहले जब वी वर डूइंग दिस स्पेस इधर भी वी डिडंट हैड एनी वुड एलिमेंट. सो दैट्स वाई मैंने जो हमने चेस्ट ऑफ डॉग क्रिएट किया द कॉफी बार वी आर क्रिएटिंग वो वुड में है बिकॉज वुड हैज़ लाइक गुड एनर्जी.
ओह
वुड अब्जॉर्ब्स योर एनर्जी चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो चाहे वो पॉजिटिव हो. इफ़ यू हैव इट इन अ बेडरूम तो कपल्स का कोई एनर्जी नहीं होगा. लाइक दे विल बी इमोशनलेस.
मतलब अगर वुड नहीं हो
वुडन फ्लोरिंग
हो
Yeah.
अगर अच्छा
I mean wooden flooring I don't like but people are still obsessed with wooden flooring.
बिकॉज आई थिंक इट लुक्स एस्थेटिक एंड गुड. मतलब नॉर्मल
But
मार्बल या
अब
टाइल
बहुत
से
सारे पैटर्न्स आ गए ट्रेंड्स आ गए हैं.
मुझे तो ये बेसिक भी सही लगता है.
हाँ मुझे
टाइल्स
पैटर्न टाइल मोज़ैक टाइल्स आई रियली लाइक एंड इवन
Yeah.
वाइट या बेसिक वाइट.
एंड अगर वुडन फ्लोरिंग पे कार्पेट कर दो
नहीं बट वुडन फ्लोरिंग तो है ना. यू आर वॉकिंग ऑन दैट एंड वो
अच्छा.
एनर्जी ऑब्जॉर्ब करती है वुड.
Oh, and coming back to again like these Vastu ke according keeping things. Anything else you would suggest if somebody is making their home today?
Like keeping the middle of your space of the plot empty.
Middle of your?
Plot like the residence.
अच्छा.
Middle में कुछ मत रखो.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
It's the Brahmsthan na, so it has to be empty. Anyways.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else you think any kind of curtains you should have, you should not have?
Curtains, yeah, like colors do matter in curtain. जैसे अभी हम यहाँ पे करेंगे तो we'll add green because green attracts like audience and communication.
Oh, interesting. Nice. And anything else color theory के हिसाब से कि
Colors,
no,
yeah.
not color theory, I would say colors in Vastu.
So every color is denoted to some planet या मतलब बट कोई कलर ऐसा नहीं होता कि नेगेटिव है या ज़्यादा है. हर एक कलर का एफिशिएंट यूज़ होना चाहिए. बट आई फील अगर किसी को कुछ नहीं पता लग रहा है कंफ्यूज जस्ट गो फॉर लाइक ऑफ वाइट शाइनी वाइट. ऑफ वाइट और शाइनी वाइट इट गोज वेल विद एवरीथिंग.
एंड उसका कुछ वो होता है मीनिंग इन वास्तु?
या इट डिनोट्स लग्जरी पीस तो वो सब आप अट्रैक्ट करते हो.
Nice. And अगर for example somebody is making their space and they are unable to figure with the furniture vastu wise ऐसा कुछ, then
Not really, but just furniture doesn't play much क्योंकि furniture का movement होता है.
okay.
Like anything placed in your room should have a movement because 30 days से ज़्यादा एक energy absorb हो जाती है एक चीज़ की. And when you feel so for example when I feel clogged you just or anyone feel clogged just remove your furniture from that place or replace your furniture.
Okay.
मतलब बेड थोड़ा आगे पीछे कर दो whatever.
अच्छा. Nice. Interesting यार.
वो बहुत उससे होता है like energy flow रहती है. Then things are stuck now. That's why.
And any specific plants?
Plants, no, plants all are same, मतलब green color ही होता है plant का, so plant doesn't hold much according to colors वैसे भी, but plant sorry can be placed anywhere, like
Yeah, that's
it
nice.
serves like aesthetics purpose too.
सही है. So we have covered paintings, we have covered colors, we have covered
Right.
curtains, furniture. कुछ और होता है क्या?
घर में I think entrance should be
Entrance, yes.
yeah,
Entrance.
entrance should be very clean और हमें कुछ clutter नहीं होना चाहिए, dustbin नहीं होना चाहिए.
डस्टबिन नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ, बहुत सारे लोग
काफी
dustbin
लोग
रखते हैं.
वो रखते हैं शू रैक्स. Is that good?
Shoe racks, maybe you can place because up to we have like space restrictions. I'm also designing a lot of apartments, so हमें space restriction होती है. You can keep it but in a concealed way, very systematically.
मैं बस पड़े नहीं है नीचे.
हाँ, एक के ऊपर एक शू नहीं रखा हुआ.
हाँ, बस it's like a proper rack
Right.
type है, उसमें आपने अच्छे से रखे हैं बस.
Yes, and just remove your toned shoes or
और नेम प्लेट्स का भी आई हैव हर्ड कुछ होता
yeah,
है.
number also plays an important role.
Yeah.
Like house number.
ओह,
Yeah, house number का total.
जैसे
जैसे हर for
अच्छा वो
example-
नंबर टोटल जो भी
Right,
आता है
right. वो it's like depends on person to person.
हाँ वो दैट अगेन
That is very personal.
या एंड प्लेट्स नेम प्लेट्स
Not really.
आई हर्ड कि ऐसा कुछ वुडन मेटल कुछ
No,
होता है
no,
उनका.
not much. Numbers do play. but-
अच्छा, गॉट इट. नाइस यार, इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ. And anything else you want to share in general, anything around
I mean, not really as such, but yeah, design is elaborative process. हम एक podcast पे वो नहीं cover कर सकते. Even वास्तु yeah. I'm
हाँ.
still reading it every day. and
how did you
learning things.
learn vastu?
Very vaguely, yeah. To be honest, when I joined this career, my dad was like, "You should do vastu," and I was like, "It's very old school and it doesn't fit my personality."
Yeah.
I was 18. How will I relate to it?
Yeah.
But eventually, I related it. I trusted it. Honestly, you should trust whatever you are doing,
Right.
so that
And then you got into vastu. फिर मतलब
Yeah.
जब start किया तो अपने आप you.
हाँ. फिर उसके बाद तो practically when I was working, so I was practically using it because everyone wants the element एक space में कि वो systematically होना चाहिए. After COVID, I feel कि बहुत ज़्यादा boom आया है. People are still aware about vastu or any pseudoscience.
Nice.
Yes,
Actually, it is also because during COVID, a lot of people started consuming more internet. I think.
No, I
मुझे
feel
ऐसा
कि
लग रहा है.
even your wedding content creation pre-COVID, यार weddings कैसे होती थी? It was so dull. But now people are into like elaborative system.
नहीं, आई थिंक इलेबोरेटिव तो तब भी होती थी, बट इट इज कि अभी रील्स आ गए हैं.
Exactly, but पहले सिर्फ pictures होती थी.
पिक्चर्स होते थे.
Yeah, photographer used to serve the purpose.
बट देन देयर वर आल्सो वेडिंग फिल्म्स. तो वेडिंग फिल्म्स वगैरह लाइक
कौन देखता है? It's like 2-3 hours.
पीपल
very
डोंट
boring.
सी इट, बट
Yeah.
उसमें पता लगता है कि वो इलेबोरेटिव वेडिंग तो थी.
हाँ.
अभी क्योंकि रील्स आ गए हैं, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस थिंग इज लाइक गोइंग.
But I think there are few designers who also work as event decors, like event management. वो decor कर रहे हैं, backdrops create कर रहे हैं. I don't think so ऐसा पहले कुछ था कि कोई interior designer willingly अपना career छोड़ रहा है and they are into event backdrops. Like
आई डोंट नो, मे बी
I have seen it, yeah. मतलब so
मतलब अभी कर रहे होंगे, बट मे बी पहले भी कर रहे हो, बिकॉज
पहले
डेकोर एंड ऑल में भी आई हैव सीन पहले से काफ़ी. आई वुड से कोविड के बाद पीपल हैव चेंज्ड देयर mindset in terms of decor and the
Yeah.
setups.
I think Pinterest भी reels भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें people are aware about.
Yeah.
And even if they are coming to me as clients, they are even going to 50 other designers. तो उनको सब कुछ खुद पता होता है. Like very rarely I create layout from scratch because they have everything on board. वो services already लेके आए होते हैं पहले से.
Oh. And what do you plan next with
Like
interior thing?
I wanna produce content maybe. I don't know. I asked
think
the
you should.
but I don't think so. I'm into camera and all. But I want to do more projects in terms of like not residential. So I'm mostly doing residential projects right now. So I want to discover more aspects in interior.
Yeah, I think you should do more studio spaces. I'm sure people will like it, and
Yeah.
काफी सही है, because and you know when you also get that freedom of adding a piece which can be
Yes.
placed in different setups, because अभी तो हमारे पास एक ही setup है, but there are
Yes.
studios जहाँ पे आपको 5 setups मिल जाते हैं.
Yeah.
So एक furniture आप multiple space पे कैसे place कर सकते हो? I think it will be very interesting to see, and I'm
Yes.
sure you can
अब
kill that.
मुझे I'm just thinking about it. It's very interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, तो काफी
Definitely.
अच्छा हो. काफी होते हैं studios, like they just have this one wall is
Yeah,
one setup,
photography
one
में.
wall is one setup. ऐसे करके
They
होते
even
हैं.
create themes. I have seen.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
have themes, proper like raw rural theme और एक proper कोई Greece themed होता है.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've seen it.
थीम से याद आया ऐसे ही रैंडम कि आई रियली लाइक दैट जो हैव यू सीन साइबर हब सोशल देखा है?
No, but other social I went to.
आई रियली लाइक दैट वन. मतलब उन्होंने जो वाइब क्रिएट की है ना,
अभी भी they recently opened in CP and they
I
have
haven't
postcard theme.
I haven't
Like
seen
sorry,
that.
post office theme.
Oh, nice.
So,
मतलब
post
मैंने आई
office-
थिंक जोमेटो पे देखा था, बट आई डिड नॉट विजिट, बट आई एम
Yeah,
श्योर.
but I've never visited a post office, so मेरे लिए या किसी के लिए भी बहुत interesting होगा, like
हाँ.
seeing it.
जो उनका साइबर हब वाला है ना, इट हैज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सेटअप कि उन्होंने जो उनका बाहर का सिटिंग एरिया है ना, इट इज़ लिटरली लाइक एक घाट सॉर्ट ऑफ वाइब है,
Oh.
जो यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रिंग जा रही है, उस पर कपड़े सूख रहे हैं.
Right.
इट लुक्स वेरी फन एंड इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड अंदर क्यूबिकल्स हैं,
Oh.
उसमें भी सब में अलग अलग वाइब बनी हुई है. इट्स वेरी आई रियली लाइक इट. और फिर जो कॉमन वाला सिटिंग एरिया क्यूबिकल्स है और एक कॉमन सिटिंग एरिया टाइप है जहाँ बाहर है, सब कुछ है, सिटिंग है ऐसी ऐसी, वहाँ पे इट्स लाइक अ नॉर्मल बेसिक है. देयर इज नो थीम देयर एज सच, बट नॉर्मल सोशल थीम जो नॉर्मल सोशल में होती है.
Yeah, very
पर-
rustic.
हाँ, एंड जो क्यूबिकल है, हाँ रस्टिक थीम ही है पूरी भी, बट उसमें दे हैव एडेड मोर एलिमेंट, जैसे थोड़ा सा वही रूरल
Okay,
वाइब.
yeah.
एंड क्यूबिकल्स में दे हैव गिवन हर क्यूबिकल में अलग अलग. एक में तो कुछ हॉस्पिटल टाइप वाइब थी, वो बहुत फन इंटरेस्टिंग. इट्स अ
Social do that है, मतलब
बहुत ही cool
उनके
लगा.
जितने भी setups है even in Delhi and outside Delhi बाकी metros
Yeah.
में they are very interesting. They have their own theme, मतलब वो एक theme हर जगह copy कर सकते थे, but they didn't do that.
Yeah.
They had a fresh concept.
ये
That's
मुझे
why I
काफी
think they
अच्छे
are doing
लगते हैं.
well. मतलब हमेशा waiting होती है वहाँ पे whenever you go.
Plus I think their food, everything is very good. ये भी
Yeah.
है. क्योंकि लोगों को पता है उनको वहाँ जाके क्या ऑर्डर करना है. They don't have to think much.
Yes.
कि कहीं भी चले जाओ इंडिया में, किसी भी सोशल में, यू विल गेट व्हाट यू वांट वहाँ पे, तो वो भी होता है.
बट अभी सब रेस्टोरेंट्स भी वो यूज़ कर रहे हैं केन चेयर्स एंड इट्स सो लाइक
क्या?
केन लाइक द केन
Oh,
चेयर्स इफ यू हैव
yeah.
सीन वो बहुत ज़्यादा बूम हो रहा है सिंस पास्ट 2 years एंड इट्स वेरी इरिटेटिंग टू सी कि कुछ क्रिएटिवली है ही नहीं.
That is true.
एंड वन फर्नीचर प्रोड्यूसर इज सप्लाइंग ऑल द पीपल.
Nice यार, मजा आया. Good stuff. Anything else you would want to share? You would want to
Yeah, but
add?
it was honestly very interesting to work with you. And honestly, I've built that connection जो मेरा honestly और किसी client के साथ नहीं होता. Maybe like you're very fun to be honest.
Thank you
yeah.
so much यार. Thanks. मैं तो genuinely saying कि
Open
भाई
to criticism and everything. I really like it. ऐसा.
थैंक यू सो मच. मैं तभी यार आई वाज तो जस्ट थिंकिंग कि हाँ मेरे को आई जस्ट नीड समबडी टू पुट द ब्रेन, ताकि मैं अपना ब्रेन अपने काम में लगा सकूँ. That's
And
it.
we want more like interesting episodes now.
हाँ, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड यार. आज ही हम 3 एपिसोड शूट कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
एंड आई एम तो फुल्ली मैं एक्साइटेड भी हूँ, एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक थकी हुई हूँ मैं थोड़ी सी, बिकॉज सुबह से आज बहुत क्रेजी चीज़ें हो रही थी. बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग दिस फॉर मी.
I had
एंड
to, yeah.
आई वाज तो लाइक कि भाई पहले तो हम निष्ठा के साथ ही करेंगे एपिसोड, बिकॉज
Yeah,
थ्रू
and I'm
आउट
very excited. यार मुझे नहीं पता था this is the first episode. Like short for a guest.
yeah first guest episode, because the thing is कि हम पिछले 2 महीने से काम कर रहे थे, like we knowing each other, we met,
Yes.
and then हमने within like 1 weekish we completed this also.
Yeah.
And we were in touch throughout. तो I was like यार it's very interesting
But I
whatever we
miss,
have
अभी
been.
मैंने जैसे बोला ना miss texting you कि ऐसा
हाँ,
कि
मतलब
like seriously because we have been talking इसके लिए.
Yeah, exactly. We've been talking throughout कि कभी कुछ भेज दी फोटो. मैं जब ऐसे मिरर सोर्स करने जा रही थी यार,
Yeah.
if I was going to look for anything, तो भी आई वुड कीप सेंडिंग हर फोटोज कि ये कैसा लगेगा, शुड वी गेट दिस कलर, शी वुड जस्ट मैसेज मी, हाँ ये कलर ले लो और ये कलर। तो इट वाज वेरी सीमलेस फॉर मी ऑल्सो टू वर्क कि हाँ मैं अगर लाइक इफ आई एम टेक्सटिंग यू तो मैं दुकान में हूँ तो मुझे अभी के भी रिप्लाई आ गया। सो इट वाज वेरी,
But it was like because we are in the same age bracket, I don't do it with any other client because of course my clients are 50 plus, 40 plus, so I can't be that transparent with them.
Right.
It's because you're very young, it's very raw vibe. Yeah,
thank you so much, and I think it was a great one. If you
Yeah.
guys haven't checked out her page yet, link is in the description. It's,
yeah,
you want to talk about it?
yeah. We do sustainable interiors, sustainable luxury
इसका नेम
interiors.
बताओ ना.
Lalex by Nishtha.
Lalex.
So we do sustainable luxury interiors,
Yes.
pan India and even like globally basically. But
Yeah.
pan India we do travel for interiors.
Yes, so do check her page out and भाई reach out करो for insane interior stuff, because भाई मैं तो I am तो fully happy and अभी सारे एपिसोड आप यहाँ पे देखने वाले हो, so it only makes sense if you go check her page as well. इसने इतनी efforts किए हैं यहाँ के लिए, and I'm very thankful to
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
And make sure you guys subscribe, like, leave comments. बताओ तुम लोगों को कैसा लगा. Do you think we should add something here? अपने inputs बताओ यहाँ पे कहीं कुछ add करना है तुम्हारे हिसाब से. So we'll do that as well. I'll ask her first and then we'll add. ठीक है? And see you guys in the next one. Bye.